Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create navigations. So to create navigations, you need to go to online stores. Then there is the navigation option. And from here, you can see different menus. So the main menu is showing at the top here. And the footer menu is showing at the bottom here. Like there. So if you want to add a new menu, you can hit on add menu, or you can actually edit the current menu. So I'm going to edit the main menu. Let's say I want to add our FAQ page. So pages FAQ. Let's say I want to add our about page, about, or if I want to add a custom menu, then I can insert whatever link I want, like google.com. Okay, then we save it. Now if you load the store page, then you will see we have added FAQs, about us, and custom menu. Okay, so custom menu is going on Google, and for the about us, if I click on about, it's showing the information that we have added, and for FAQs, it's showing the information we have added. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.